Time ago, I learned that from my father. The company cannot survive without worker. So you need them, and they need you to give them their job, but you need them to do their work for you. And so you need to invest on them. Invest on them mean training. It mean pay them a decent wage to live. It mean that show them that they are part of the organization. Show them that they have some, they have, when we make profit, we share the profit with the people who make that profit happen. That's what we mean by investing in people. My father had his own business. His whole life he worked for himself. That he has a simple belief in product development. The quality of the product always take precedent over everything. He told me something one time, because we build boat, wooden boat. You're using thousands and thousands of pieces of wood, you're putting a boat together, and people is taking it into the ocean. And you know how violent the sea can be. But he tell me one main thing is, when you go to bed at night, that you remember that you did everything right on that boat. Because anything at sea can sink or whatever, things can happen to them. But he says, you need to know if something happened to them, it's not because of something you didn't do. And those things resonate with me. Back then I was young, but as I get older, I realize how important that is. When you develop product, you don't look at money first. You focus on the product. How that product going to improve someone's life. But I want to start something different. I make a good product that actually improving people's life. And that is what Flagstar will always stand for.